Here's another porta potty review here on a new home construction here just outside of Durham, North Carolina. Looks like this one is framed up now. As you can hear, work is occurring over here. It's another Ready Light porta potty. Very nice looking home. Let's go take a look inside this one. And the floor is filthy, and so is the urinal. We have a piece of toilet paper plugging a hole in this porta potty. We got some writing. It's our vent pipe. We got some trash in here. There's a cup. It's like from Hardee's. It's well ventilated in here. Got some drawings here, and it's like there is one roll of toilet paper. I'm not going to open this toilet. And can't really tell the last clean date. I see a number of dates in here on top of each other. Latest one looks like February 3rd. Let's take a look on the outside. This one's actually not in bad shape. Looks pretty good, nice and straight, sitting on skids compared to one recently looked at that was leaning. There's the vent pipe up here. A little banged in on the side over here. It's like it's sitting beside an electrical box. A little banged in on that side too. All in all, I give this a medium thumbs up. It's not too bad. Out of these many new homes that are being constructed here, as you can see over here, putting a roof on one just outside of Durham, North Carolina.